Solving 2004 question number 10, we are told in a class of 40 students, each student offers at least one of physics and chemistry. If the number of students that offers physics is 3 times the number that offers both subjects, and the number that offers chemistry is twice the number that offers physics, find the number of students that offers physics only. Okay, so let's draw the Venn diagram for this question. Let's try to draw that right somewhere around here. If this is the Venn diagram, in a class of 40 students, each student offers at least one of physics and chemistry. If the number of students that offers physics is 3 times the number that offers both subjects, so let's have physics here and chemistry here. We know they will overlap because we have both subjects. So if you have physics here, you have chemistry here. And we are told that if the number of students that offers physics is 3 times the number that offers both subjects, so let's say x is offer both subjects, so the number that offers physics will be 3x, and the number that offers chemistry is twice the number that offers physics. So the number that offers chemistry is twice the number that offers physics. Twice of this will be 6x. Find the number of students that offers physics only. The number of physics only is going to be 3x minus x, which will be 2x. This one will be 2x. Then chemistry only, we know that chemistry only will be 6x minus x, which will be 5x. Okay, so adding everything together, this plus this will be equal to 40. So we have 2x plus x, that is 3x plus this, that will be 8x. So we have 8x will be equal to 40. So x will be 40 divided by 8, which will be equal to 5. So x is 5. And since we are looking for physics only, will be 2 times 5, which will be 10. Option C. (2003) question number 9. We are told in a class of 40 students, okay, let's draw the Venn diagram. In a class of 40 students, (32) offer mathematics. Mathematics is 32. 24 offer physics. Physics is 24. 4 offer neither physics nor mathematics, so 4 will be outside. How many offers both physics and mathematics? So let's call that x. So for us to get mathematics only will be 32 minus x. Physics only will be 24 minus x. So the sum of everything, 32 minus x plus 24 minus x plus 4. Everything will be equal to 40. So x, negative x plus x, that will be 0. Then we will be having 32 plus 24 plus 4 minus x will be equal to 40. So will we have 32 plus this, that will be 56. 56 plus this, that will be 60. So we have x will be equal to 60 minus 40, which will be equal to 20. So how many of our both subjects? That will be 20. Option C. Then number 8, we have given you as even numbers between 0 and 30. P multiples of 6 between 0 and 30, and Q multiples of 4 between 0 and 30. Find P union Q complement. First, P union Q will be the multiples of 6 and the multiples of 6. Let's look for P union Q. P union Q will be the combo of the multiples of 6 and 4. The multiples of 6 and 4. So the first thing, the multiples of 4 will be, okay. So I think the best thing is just to look for between 0 and 30. So we know option A and D will not be part of it. And since we are looking for multiple of 4, a complement of multiple of 4 is not going to involve 4. So we know that it can't be option B. It can't be option B. It will have to be option C. Our answer is C. The Venn diagram below shows the number of students offering music and history in a class of 80 students. If a student is picked at random from what is the probability that he offers music only? Okay, offering music only. First thing first, you need to get value of x. The value of x should be 30 minus x plus 40 minus x. So we have 30 plus negative x plus x, that will be 0. So we have 30 plus 40, that will be 70. So we have 70 minus x plus 20 should be equal to 80. So this plus this, that is 90. So we have 90. X will be equal to 90 minus 80. That will be 10. So x is 10. So we have 20 divided by 80. 20 is music only, divided by the total. The total is 80. And that will be equal to 0.25. So we have 0.25, which is option B. 0.25, option B. So that's for that. Now we're told in a school 220 students offers biology or mathematics or both. 125 offer biology and 110 offer mathematics. How many offer biology but not mathematics? That's very much like saying how many offers biology only. So let's draw the Venn diagram for this to be able to see it more visually. We are told that in a school the total is 220 students. Now 120 offer biology. Biology is 125 and 110 mathematics. Mathematics is 110. How many offer biology but no? Okay, first thing first, you need to get the number that offers both. So this will be 125 minus x. This will be 110 minus x. So if we sum everything together, everything should equal 220. Another way of doing this is just saying this plus this minus x will be equal to 220. But that's the same thing we're going to get from this equation. Okay, so this minus this will be 0. So we just say 125 to 125 plus 110. This will be 0, 3, 2, 230. So we have 230 minus x equal to 220. So x will be equal to 230 minus 220, which will be 10. So for us to get biology only, biology will be 125 minus 10, which will be 115. That will be 115. So answer is going to be 115. 115. There might have been a typo here. Our answer is meant to be 115. So no answer here. Provided there is no typo, no answer. Oh, sorry. This is where the mistake came from. This is where the mistake came from. The mistake came from here. Yeah. It's meant to be 235. It's meant to be 235. So 235 minus 220. So this is where the mistake came from. This will be 5, 1. This will be 15. So 125 minus 15, that will be 110. That is option B. Our answer is option B. Option B. Next club with 95 members. 60 like modern games. Okay, so let's do the Venn diagram. I will analyze it. Next club with 94 members. 60 like modern music. 60 modern music. Modern music is 60, and traditional music is 50. The number of members who like both traditional and modern music is three times who do not like any type of music. So any type of music, let's call it X. So this one will be 3x. 3x is 3x. So how many members like only one type of music? So here will be 60 minus 3x. Here will be 50 minus 3x. First thing first, you need to get x. So for us to get x, that will be 60 plus 50, that is 110. 110 minus 3x plus x will be equal to 94. Equal to 94. So 110 minus 2x equal to 94. So 2x will be equal to 110 minus 94. So let's 2x will be equal to 110 minus 94, which will be equal to 6, which will be equal to 16. So x will be divided by 2, which will be equal to 8. So if x is 8, now how many members like only one type of music? Only one type of music is 60 minus 3x plus 50 minus 3x. So 3 times 8 is 24. So we have 60 minus 24 here. 60 minus 24, 6. We have 36, that's for that. Then you have 50 minus 24 2 over here. This will be 6. This will be 2, 26. So the sum will be 36 plus 26, which will be 2, 6. That will be 62. Option C.